would have made an excellent member of An Garda Síochána, and I know there's some people down there would as well. So if you have any questions, the inspector is just going to talk to you about what you need, how long you have to live in Ireland, what qualifications you might need to join An Garda Síochána, but please don't rule it out. We need the Muslim community represented in An Garda Síochána. We need the travelling community. We need a lot of different communities. It can't be all Irish men and women. Does that make sense? We have printed out, I think Abdul Ahmed told me, I think you've something like, in Yemen, 26 different nationalities in the mosque. So we have it printed out, and you might correct us. The sheet we give out, is that Arabic? It is Arabic, yeah. So I know maybe not everybody speaks Arabic, but we have, there's English ones going around.